Good morning, children. Today's worksheet number 16 topic is element. Today you have to learn about elements. Jigyasa Didi, till now we have learned that the substances like suspension, colloid and solution are impure substances. Do pure substances really exist? वो जो जिज्ञासा दीदी से पूछ रहे हैं ज्ञान कि क्या प्योर सब्सटेंस भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. इफ़ यस देन हाउ, कहाँ पर, कैसे. मैनी ऑफ द, तो दीदी क्या रिप्लाई देती हैं ज्ञान को, मैनी ऑफ द सब्सटेंस अराउंड अस आर इन फैक्ट प्रेजेंट इन देयर प्योर फॉर्म्स ओनली. तो हमारे चारों ओर जो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स या बहुत सारे सब्सटेंसेस सिर्फ प्योर फॉर्म में ही एग्जिस्ट करते हैं और जिनको हम प्योर फॉर्म में यूज़ भी करते हैं. दे आर ऑफ टू टाइप. Pure substances are of two types. One is element like gold, silver, iron, aluminum, oxygen, carbon, all these are elements. And second one is compounds. Compounds are made up of chemical combination of two or more than two elements. Glucose and water, these are compounds. Both elements and compounds are present in the pure form. Elements क्या होते हैं? Elements are basic form of matter which can't be divided further into simpler form by any chemical reaction. तो elements वो simple most form हैं जिनको किसी भी chemical reactions के द्वारा किसी simpler form में convert नहीं किया जा सकता. Generally these are classified as metals, non-metals and metalloids. Elements can be classified in three groups: metals, non-metals and metalloids. On the basis of their properties, all of these are very useful for us. हमारे लिए बहुत useful है according to their properties. Now we will discuss the properties of metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals, these are solid and lustrous. Lustrous means चमकदार. ठोस होते हैं, सॉलिड होते हैं एंड लस्ट्रस होते हैं, शाइनी होते हैं. These are good conductor of heat and electricity. All metals, generally metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Third one is these are ductile. Ductile means they can be drawn into thin wires. They can be drawn into wires. Example, gold, copper, aluminum, iron, all can be drawn into wires and they are malleable in nature. What do you mean by malleable? They can be beaten into thin sheets. Iron, gold, copper or any other metal can be beaten into thin sheets. That is why they are called malleable. These are sonorous. What do you mean by sonorous? Sonorous means they produce ringing sounds on hitting. जब हम उसको किसी चीज़ से आघात करते हैं, चोट करते हैं, तो वो कौन सी साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? Ringing sound. That is why metals are sonorous. Now the properties of metalloids. The elements which have intermediate properties between those of metals and non-metals. Some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. That is why they are called metalloids. Examples of metalloids are boron, silicon, germanium. All these are metalloids having the properties of metals as well as non-metals. Now the properties of non-metals. Non-metals properties. First one, these are not lustrous. चमकदार नहीं होते, shiny नहीं होते. Non-metals, these are not lustrous. These are bad conductor of heat and electricity. They are generally bad conductor of heat and electricity. These are neither malleable nor ductile. Neither malleable, they are not malleable, they can't be beaten into thin sheets. They nor ductile, they can't be drawn into thin wires. So they are not malleable, not ductile. These are generally brittle. Generally ये brittle होते हैं और गिरने पर टुकड़ों में टूट जाते हैं. These are not sonorous. They do not produce ringing sound on hitting. Generally Non-metal exist in liquid or gaseous form. Generally, these are present in nature, liquid and gaseous form. Examples of non-metals are hydrogen, carbon, iodine, bromine, chlorine, etc. All these are non-metals. Now we will discuss question answer. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर एलिमेंट्स. तो एलिमेंट क्या होते हैं, इसकी डेफिनेशन आपको लिखनी है और एग्जांपल्स देने हैं साथ में. तो जब आप एलिमेंट्स की डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे, एलिमेंट्स आर बेसिक फॉर्म ऑफ मैटर विच कांट बी डिवाइडेड फर्दर इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म बाय एनी केमिकल रिएक्शन. एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर, here it is given in the bracket, gold, silver, iron, aluminum, carbon or oxygen, nitrogen, all are elements. And what is the mixture? Mixture is formed when two or more substances are mixed together in any ratio. They form mixture. So you have to write definition of element as well as definition of mixture. Second question is, aluminum is used in making utensils used for cooking food. Aluminum metal is used for making utensils used for cooking food. खाना बनाने के लिए हम एल्युमिनियम मेड यूटेंसिल्स को क्यों यूज़ करते हैं. विच प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एल्युमिनियम इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड हियर. तो यहाँ पर आपको वो प्रॉपर्टी बतानी है एल्युमिनियम की जिसके कारण हम इसके बर्तनों में खाना पकाते हैं. तो यू हैव टू राइट, एल्युमिनियम इज़ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. एल्युमिनियम इज़ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड गुड malleable metal. That is why aluminum is used in making utensils used for cooking food. Question number 3. Can we use carbon to make wires for household usage? No. आप कार्बन को क्या वायर्स बनाने के लिए, घर में वायर्स जो हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, क्या आप कार्बन के वायर्स बना सकते हैं? नो. वाई नॉट? वाई और वाई नॉट? सो वाई वी डू नॉट यूज़ कार्बन फॉर मेकिंग वायर्स? बिकॉज कार्बन इज़ ए नॉन मेटल एंड it is bad conductor of electricity. That is why we do not use carbon for making wires. Next question number 4. Define malleability and ductility. What is malleability? What do you understand by malleability and what do you understand by ductility? So malleability क्या होती है? Metals can be beaten into thin sheets. This property of metals is called malleability and metals are called malleable. Metals are called malleable and property is known as malleability. Ductility क्या होती है? Metals can be drawn into wires. This property of metal is called ductility and metals are ductile in nature. Thanks for watching.